Sometimes nature's best secrets are hidden in plain sight. I'd always trusted commercial fertilizers until a friend suggested pulverized rice for my struggling garden. Skeptical but curious, I ground up some white rice and sprinkled it around a few lackluster tomato plants. Instead of feeding the plants directly, the idea was to feed the soil's invisible army of microbes. I set up a simple experiment. 2 basil plants, one with rice powder, one without. I watered both and waited, expecting little. But within days, the difference was clear. The rice-treated plant looked healthier, greener and more robust. It wasn't a quick chemical boost, but a sign of deep, systemic change. This simple act challenged everything I thought I knew about soil health. Sometimes the most surprising results come from the simplest changes. The real magic was just beginning to unfold. To see why rice works, we need to look beneath the surface. Soil is alive, a bustling world of bacteria, fungi and other microbes. Chemical fertilizers feed plants directly, but often neglect or harm this living network. Pulverized rice is different. It's pure carbohydrate, a feast for soil microbes. When you add rice powder, microbes multiply rapidly, unlocking nutrients already in the soil. The key is using a fine powder, not whole grains, so microbes can access it instantly. Within a week, my soil looked richer and more crumbly, a classic sign of healthy fungal activity. The basil in the rice-treated pot grew stronger, with deeper green leaves. This wasn't a growth spurt, but a sign of true, lasting vitality. Feeding the soil's life, not just the plant, is the real secret. The transformation starts from the ground up, and it all begins with a handful of rice. Using rice powder is easy for any gardener. For garden beds, lightly dust about 1 cup per 10 square feet. No need to dig it in. For pots, sprinkle a teaspoon or 2 on the surface, then water gently. You can also make rice tea. Mix a tablespoon of rice powder in a gallon of water, shake, let it settle, and water your plants. Rice tea feeds soil microbes quickly, especially in new or tired soil. Pairing rice tea with compost tea is even better. Compost tea adds microbes, rice tea feeds them. Just remember, rice powder is for the soil, not the leaves. This simple method works for any garden, big or small. It's a quick, affordable way to boost soil life and plant health. After applying rice powder, cover the soil with mulch, leaves, straw or wood chips. Mulch protects microbes, keeps moisture in and stabilizes temperature. As plants grow faster, check soil moisture and water deeply, not just on the surface. Harvest fruits and greens regularly to keep plants productive. Don't overdo it. Apply rice powder only every 4 to 6 weeks. Too much can upset the soil's balance. Watch your plants and soil. They'll show you when they're thriving. Pulverized rice isn't a complete fertilizer, it's a catalyst. It wakes up soil microbes, unlocking nutrients already present. This method is about activating nature's own systems, not adding more chemicals. All you need is cheap white rice and a grinder. It's accessible, affordable, and works in any garden. By feeding the smallest soil creatures, you help your plants flourish. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. A humble grain of rice can transform your soil and your garden.